Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later issue on your device. Now, if you're receiving the too many attempt, please try again later issue or error on Telegram, it typically means that you've attempted to enter the verification code usually sent to your mobile number multiple times without success. Now, this happens for a variety of reasons, such as entering the wrong code or exceeding the maximum number of allowed attempts. So here's how you can fix it. The first thing what you can do is you can wait for a while. The error message usually suggests that you should wait for sometimes, usually a few minutes, before trying again. This is a security message to prevent unauthorized access into your account. Apart from that, you can also double check your verification code before you click on the submit button. Ensure that you're entering the verification code correct, sent to your mobile numbers. Sometimes typos, incorrect entries can trigger this error. Apart from that, you can also clear cache as well as mobile data. If you see that you have entered the correct code, you're still unable to fix it, then you can clear cache. For that, you need to long press on your Telegram application, go to your app info page, and once you're on page, go to storage and cache, click on clear cache and click on clear storage as well. This is going to help you a lot. After that, try entering the code. This might be able to fix the issue. Now try another verification method. Telegram may offer alternative verification methods such as receiving the code by phone call. If you're having trouble with one of these methods, you can try another one. Apart from that, if none of these seems to be working, you can also contact the support team. So contacting a support team, they can help you resolve your login problems and regain access to your account. Now, the security measures like this are placed to protect your account. If you're unable to resolve the issue on your own, contact support team is often the best course of action to ensure the security of your account. Now, these were some of the steps on how you can fix your too many attempt, please try again later issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.